What's going on, boss?
What?
What's going on? Can't be doing that here, alright?
Hey?
Can't be doing that here. We're gonna have construction coming out soon.
Oh yeah, okay, well, you just told me to go and I'll go.
Yeah?
When do you want to do construction?
We'll be coming here in a couple maybe a couple minutes.
Oh, you
Yeah.
are? You gotta do these racks or something?
Yeah, we're just moving some trucks around.
No
yeah,
problem,
man.
dude.
Thank you, brother. Alright,
I'm just gonna go anyway.
what are these? What are these guys?
Yorkies.
Little cats? Oh.
The big overgrown cats.
Oh man, they're
What
big
a cat
cats,
is?
man. I don't even know what a cat is, bro.
Cats are a pain. They're like women. They scratch.
Oh, actually, eh?
You know women? Do you know women?
Hey man, I came from Sri Lanka, bro. I don't know anything.
I know
Man.
women are a blessing and a curse, just like a knife.
Ah, man.
Hey, this
God.
Tico.
Tico.
Tico, T-I-C-O.
Tico.
Tico, and that's Tiny.
Oh man, these are like overgrown.
This one is an American illegal alien. This one I just got at Sherway Gardens.
Illegal alien?
Yeah, it's this one here.
Did you grab him from Area 51?
Got him in Little Rock.
Hey, what's going on, buddy? How you doing today? Are you gonna be here for long?
What?
Are you gonna be here for long?
No comprendo, no hablo inglés.
That's fine. I don't speak Spanish either. You have to leave soon.
Yeah, I live in the.
No, no.
Was there like any particular reason? Sorry, was there any particular reason you were just like touching the plants for?
Yeah, I was just taking off the dead one. I was taking off the dead after the rain. So it would look nice with green
Like,
and not half dead. That's it. Just that.
like, can I see like what you did?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
It's,
I just want to
it's
see.
not bad.
He has some overgrown monkeys, but like.
What do you mean, a
Sri
real
Lanka,
monkey?
like in Sri Lanka, yeah. Got from Sri Lanka, so
Like how big were they?
like huge, man. Like fucking stuff.
Chimpanzee?
I don't know how they were, man. I just took them. Because it's like we live in the jungle areas, right?
Where you brought them from Sri Lanka?
No.
Oh, I
So
know what they
left-
were. Where they were probably lemurs.
Maybe, I have no idea. I just took them and had them at home.
Are they still at home with you?
No, they're not here. They're at Sri Lanka, man.
What?
They're in Sri Lanka, bro.
You took them back?
No, because I found them there.
We're doing all this.
Oh, me que me vaya?
Yeah, you have to come here.
Okay.
I wouldn't tolerate dead because this is dead and it should be dead for the plant. For the plant. You see what I mean?
okay.
Like this. And then
So when
people will look at it and think, my God, it's half dead. Look, it was so much nicer.
Dead?
No.
I don't know.
Anyways, my bad.
You have
You
to.
moved down there.
No, I'm gonna go home
Alright, okay.
because I gotta go anyway.
Did you already check out this area? Checked out the area already?
Where?
Everything's good to go for the construction?
In which direction?
My boss Joe told me look for a guy with the vest. He's looking out for the area, make sure everything's good to go.
I said, this is dead now. The plant doesn't need it. The earth will need it. And then it'll go again and it'll be nice.
Just, isn't it just make you so sad?
Eh?
Doesn't it just make you so sad? Like the plants just died?
No, because if it's dying already, right?
But it's dying.
Yeah, but it's not completely dead. It's only a
Oh.
little part.
I don't know.
Can't be doing that here. Can't be doing that here.
Just what?
Yeah, the sign's right there, man. Yeah, man. I just moved you off property.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah. Okay, brother.
I'm buying shop and then tomorrow to start buying groceries.
Oh, alright. But like, like next time we're gonna have
I won't-
to
I
do
won't
a fine.
smoke anymore, though.
Alright.
That's cool.
I'm just Hondo Pila, right? So it's like.
No, I honestly didn't know. I was.
You know what? I'm gonna go call my boss.
Yeah.
Okay? And then I'll let him know that you're here ready to do the construction, okay?
I work for Metro, only Metro.
Metro Construction?
No, Metro worker.
Metro Construction worker.
No, I work in the store. I work for the store.
Oh, you're doing construction inside the store?
No, the plant's just dying.
No, it's not. It's only
There's
part
nothing,
of the
there's
plant.
nothing we can do about it.
Look, that's what people do.
It's so
That-
dead. I'm probably gonna go home and cry.
The thing is, like, there's been construction coming around this area.
Yeah.
Movie, like, cars or whatever that is.
Okay.
So,
My bike's in there.
oh, is it?
Yeah, the middle one.
Alright, do you mind moving it? I'm trying to get everybody to watch.
But can you give me like 3 minutes? You can make a call. make a call and I'll go. I'm
Alright.
just gonna get it because she's inside. So.
Oh, she is?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, if you just move right away, like, because the trucks are coming right now, that's the thing. Alright, bro. 2 minutes, right?